Here's an example.
Let's imagine an event, say a football match between England and Brazil. And don't worry if you're not a sports fan, this will still be easy. We place a bet with a bookmaker of £5 that England will win. We also place another £5 bet that England will not win, that they will lose or draw. By doing this, we have created a match. Creating a match makes sure that no matter which of our bets proves to be correct, we will not win or lose any money. We're protected no matter what the outcome. So what's the point? Well, by making these matches, we qualify for a bookmaker bonus of say £30, making us a nice profit. With some bonuses, you can earn up to £200 just by making a match. Because we know exactly what will happen whether England win, lose or draw, our matching system is mathematically risk-free. It's tax-free too, as the money has come from a UK bookmaker. We can repeat this method over and over again, continuing to make money. So there you have it, guaranteed profit and no money for Mr. Taxman.